Hi guys, good morning. Today's project we are going to remove this an air inlet. We're going to remove this part, the light, this anchor. So the tie down. So we're going to add an anchor. Gonna remove all this, but then I'm gonna fiberglass another piece of wood to make it give it more strength and rigidity. Alright, we're getting all the silicone out. We're gonna sand it down. Trying to get the loose stuff out as much as possible. Alright guys, I'm gonna get back with you. Alright, we're gonna try to sit right now and see what I'm gonna plan to do with this sucker. Alright. Figure out how to cover this hole. I was thinking about putting two wood right here. Either that or I can use Starbucks board. Alright, let me start debating. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm outlining I'm going to cut the wood. I'm going to go fiberglass in, give it more strength and rigidity and raise it up like. Okay, we cut the wood, fiberglass, and I feel the edge nice and give it a slope so that the fiber can get on top. Next step, we put this fiberglass on. Alright, I'm gonna get back with you. Can't do it with one hand. Alright, fiberglass all in and nice and done. Alright, good morning guys. Finished install this last night. Alright, early this morning before I go to work. Check it out. I tipped this part, I'm talking paint it black again. Give it a little highlight. Okay, looks good. The next is I'm gonna put a winch right behind it. I'm gonna figure out how to do something. Looks good. I'm not gonna lie to you. Looks really good.